Atlantia, your Atlanta, Vinci Atlanta, dear NASA, I have seen your very interesting videos on YouTube. I'm watching them right now about going to Moon and going to Mars. First of all, I shall explain to you what is the nature of Earth and the Moon. The Earth and the Moon is a double planet. It is a double space station. The Earth, although you don't want to believe this, it is actually a space station, just like the planet Meridian in the game Mass Effect Andromeda. It is a constructed planet around a black hole. Some civilizations in the old times were advanced enough, the Atlantean civilization, in order to build a habitable zone around a small black hole, not around Sagittarius or Sagittarius A, which is the central black hole of our galaxy. We may consider the central black hole of Earth to be the central black hole of a very tiny galaxy which got very, there is a time compression on Earth, 35 to 1 now, 263 to 1. It can go up to 2000 or 1500 to 1. That means that one day on Earth is equal to 35 days in other parts, more peaceful or more warlike parts of the galaxy and the universe. You cannot go to space without having computers. The computers make the path. Yes, they calculate the distance, the jump drives, which use the entanglement of quarks. There are two mirror universes that exist in the same time. When you are looking at CERN in Switzerland, you see that a neutron contains two quarks which rotate like this, and two quarks which rotate like this, and two quarks which rotate like this. There are 6 degrees of freedom. You can rotate a quark to the left, to the right, to the front, to the back, and also on the diagonal to the front and to the back. Yes, so you can rotate a quark in 6 ways. There is a 45 degrees angle, and there is a process called entanglement. One quark rotates like this here, another quark in another galaxy rotates in the same way, and you can teleport. You can invent antimatter, you can turn electrons into positron, because one electron is one negative quark, and it can be turned into a positive quark by simply changing the spin by 80 degrees or by 90 degrees actually. Also, you can change protons into neutrons and vice versa by rotating the quark in another way by 45 degrees. But these are all theoretical now in nature. So suffice to say that you can discover either antimatter if you are warlike, or teleportation if you are peace-like, or you can invent quantum computers, which you have already invented in America by studying the quantum entanglement of subnucleonic particles. But now, let's come back to Moon and Mars. You have said that the Moon station is covered by a very small, tiny dust, like the talc. Yes, well, considering that many asteroids smashed over the years and there is no wind and there is no atmosphere, you can draw this conclusion. But also, if millions of years have passed, you can drop another conclusion, that much of this dust has accrued over the years to form, the moon soil. The moon soil which covers the surface of the Moon space station. The Moon space station does not contain a black hole inside, it contains an Atlantean fleet inside, and the Moon station is made of steel and plastic, yes. And there is a source of energy inside, which is very, very much like the ZPMs used in Stargate Atlantis. So inside the Earth we have two Dracona civilizations, dragons with 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 wings, called Agartha and Shambhala. Agartha are the blue ones, Shambhala are the green ones. The capital of Shambhala is in Tibet, the capital of Agartha is in Romania. And these civilizations battle over the years inside the Earth. And I am half dragon, I am 3/4 dragon. Doesn't matter. I have United myself 63 dragon, 64, 65. Doesn't matter that either. My first dragon is dead, Iskander Vermilion Kegramon. Doesn't matter. I wish to tell you that there is a black sun inside the earth. You heard the melody, black sun, whence you come, when you come, in Agartha, the black sun. Yes, the black sun is actually the fucking black hole, which is inside our planet. If people at CERN, Switzerland, invent another black hole, then the black hole which lies on the surface of the earth in Switzerland shall unite with the black hole inside the earth and shall consume the planet and perhaps the entire fucking solar system. My dear friends, you can go to the moon. I have seen the footage from 1969. It is not real. First of all, the costume was too thin. Yes, the oxygen tank was very large. There was a very clear transmission, radio transmission. You need to build an antenna 130 kilometers long in order to transmit. And also the spacecraft, the rocket must be bigger than Mount Everest, 9,000 meters high, 3,000 meters, in order to go to the moon without refueling. But now you have in America those nice anti-gravity spacecraft that we also have from the nice Anunnaki. There was a war on Mars. You see, the Anunnaki, the green, the grey little aliens that I have seen in your footage, in your film that you have made on and posted on YouTube. They waged a biochemical and also nuclear war on Mars. That is why all the water, like in the desert of Sahara, all the water went down. Sahara was a sea in the old times, and there was a city, a circular city made of gold, silver, diamonds, the said Atlantean capital in which the black race lived after the Nazca Plateau and what was in the Butchish Mountains before the nuclear war of 125,000 years ago, when Romania went under the sea and the Black Sea rose. After that there was another nuclear war and the Black Sea fell down, and the plateau in which Romania, Dacia state now rose, because you know, when you nuke people, then the plates go down and other plates go up. So under the Sahara Desert there are many cities, buried cities, and water. Also under the humus of Romania, the fields of Muntenegro and Moldova, are many buried cities, and now people cut off the forest and the wind blows from Russia and takes the land away, and the old construction of the old times are being shown. And the same thing happened on Mars, you see. The water went down. The water went through the porous soil into the earth. And the temperature are plus 20, plus 28 degrees at the equator during summer, during daytime, minus 60, minus 120, minus 200 degrees Celsius during winter time and during the night. Don't go out during the night.